Good morning all. Welcome to TSA Pass Telangana State Industrial Project Approval Self-Certification System. Okay, in this online portal, we have seen the previous video manuals for consent for establishment, consent for operations. So now in this video we will discuss how to track your application and download your approvals. Okay, whether it is CFE, CFO, for those two applications. Because you will be already a registered login for this, because to track your applications, enter your username, password, and you log in, and this is the common dashboard. As you know, you can use the help desk anytime, and if you think the approvals are taking more than the time limits which are already mentioned in the TSA Pass Act, you can always raise a grievance for that. Now going for the tracking of applications, you can track your application anytime just by clicking here by track your application, or again here by track your application. First, I would like to request you, please open your dashboard, open the CFE dashboard, and inside that always try to finish off the numbers in the red color. The red color indicates that these are the works which are actually pending. So make sure the approvals, all the approvals are applied for. And now for an application which I have submitted in the pre-scrutiny stage, that is before the approval stage, I have two queries raised from the departments which I have to respond to. Okay, now the total dashboard here is actually divided into questionnaire, common application form, the approvals you have applied for in the common application form. Next are queries which are raised by departments which you should be done. After the queries, it goes to the payment, and after the payment it goes to the approval stage. Okay, first, even though you do not get confused, please, you have already applied for 9 approvals and you might have paid for the all 9 approval departments, but there might be a chance that you would be confused. You have paid and it's not showing here. Don't get confused. Your payment is being accepted, but your application would come to the pre-scrutiny completed stage only when the pre-scrutiny is completed, and then it would directly go to approval stage, approvals pending, if you have already paid for that. Okay, first let me come to the queries. You have finished the questionnaire, common application form, you applied for all the approvals, and then you get the queries. Okay, in the queries section, first I need to do yet to respond. So once I click on the yet to respond here, I got, because this is a testing application, I wanted the departments to raise it. So, but in practical cases, the departments can raise the queries only once, and you have to address to that query. Now, for Pollution Control Board, because the test application, they raised a query, click on respond, and you will be taken to a new page wherein you can confirm all the details of your industry and select the file, the attachment or the response which you want to give, and submit. That would directly submit your query to the department, and the department would take action. And after that, after the pre-scrutiny is completed, it comes directly to the pre-scrutiny completed and payment awaiting or payment required for, or else if you have paid for everything, it would come into paid for. And once the pre-scrutiny is done, the amount is paid for, it would directly go into the approvals pending stage. But here I even got an approval here. I can click on here, provisional NOC from Fire Services Department. So Fire has issued an NOC to me. Click on the attachments, just come here, all the query attachments, approval attachments, like whatever the approvals you need, and you can even see what you have uploaded. You can find everything here and you can download them. So this is as simple as that. Just don't get confused. If you are going only for CFE, click on CFE dashboard. You can go through the entire dashboard and you would find the numbers appropriately, and you can download your approvals. And even that comes to the same for CFO. There is no difference in any dashboard. CFE and CFO are completely same. I got the queries, I got to pay for, but only thing is in CFO, the payment would be sent to you by the department directly into your dashboard. You need not worry about that, and you can anytime click here on track your application to exactly see what's happening with your application and when and what are the dates, important dates. So please make sure you're very much in touch with your dashboard.